Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous video we have seen that how we can add and subtract mixed numbers. In this video we are going to solve our practice set 10. So students, previously in the previous video we have add the mixed numbers. So we have completed our question number 1 and we have also subtract the mixed number. We have also completed our subtraction, that is question number 2 also. So students, I will give you the questions and answer which are given over here in practice set 10 in the form of PDF. So in your WhatsApp group. So students, you will have to copy or write all those questions and answer from that particular PDF in your notebook. Okay. So students, today we are going to solve our question number 3, or we can say problem number 3 of practice set 10. Okay, so here three sub questions are given to you in question number 3. Okay, so let's start. So here is the first question, that is first problem. Suyesh bought 2.5 kg here. Suyesh bought 2.5 kg. If you have textbook, then open your textbook and take out practice set 10. Okay, so Suyesh bought 2.5 kg of sugar and Ashish bought 3.5 kg. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar costs 32 rupees per kg, means 1 kilogram, the rate of or the cost of 1 kilogram sugar is 32 rupees, then how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? Means how much they spend, or we can say how many rupees they give to the shopkeeper to buy sugar. Okay, so in all together means in total. Okay, all together means in total. So let's start how we can solve the problem. So here students, you can see that this question is solved with the help of second method. We can add the number by two methods. So here second method, we use second method. Okay, so how we can convert this mixed number into an improper fraction? So 2 2s are 4, means we have to multiply the whole number with denominator. Second method, remember that in the previous video we have also learned all these things, so remember that. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, that is 5. Then again 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, that is 7. So here denominator is same, so we have there is no need to change the denominator because denominator are same. So these are like fractions. Now 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 and 2 as it is. Okay, so students, we can divide that 12 by 2. So our answer is 6. So 6 kg is our answer. So students, the next part is that cost of 1 kg sugar is 32 rupees. So we will have to find out the cost for 6 kg. Means Suyash and Ashish bought sugar, 6 kilogram sugar. Okay, so we will have to multiply it 6 by 32 because the rate of the per kg sugar is 32 rupees. So here, so multiplied 32 by 6. 32 multiplied by 6. So read the table of 6 up to 2. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So our answer is 192. So let's confirm it. This one. 9. Our answer is 192 rupees. So we can write the answer like this. They spent rupees 192 on the sugar they bought. Okay. So students, I hope you will got it clearly. Now the next question, question number 2. So here's the question number 2. Aradhana grows potatoes in 2 upon 5 part of her garden. Means Aradhana has one garden, and in that one garden she grows potato in 2 upon 5 parts. Okay, of the garden. Then greens in 1 upon 3 part and brinjals in the remaining part. Means in the remaining part she grows brinjals. So you will have to find out the area of brinjals, means on how much of her plot did she plant brinjals. Now students, here two method we can apply. We can add 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, and we can also subtract 2 upon 5 from 1 and 1 upon 3 from 1. because she has one garden. Okay, so you can solve in by two methods. So here one method is given to you, that is whole garden 1 minus 2 upon 5, that is parts of potatoes, then minus 1 upon 3, that is part of greens. Okay, and you will have to find out the brinjal part. Now here students, 1 minus 1 means whole, means 15 upon 15. Here we can bring the same denominator, that is 15, because 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. So here you will have to bring 15. So 15 upon 15 is equal to 1, that is whole. So 1 multiplied by 15, 1 multiplied by 15, that is 15 upon 15, then minus 2 multiplied by 3, that is here we can multiply this term by denominator of second term. Remember the rule. Okay, so you can understand easily. Then this term by denominator, that is 5. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. Then minus 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. So here 6, 15 minus 6 minus 5. So minus minus become plus. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Then 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. So here your answer is 4 upon 15 part. Hence Aradhana grew brinjals in 4 upon 15 part of her garden. So students, I hope you can understand. Okay, now the next example, that is next question. Question number 3. Sandeep filled water in 4 upon 7 part of empty tank. Means one tank is there and Sandeep filled water in that particular tank, that is 4 upon 7 part. And after that Ramakant filled 1 upon 4 part. Means that is uh, filled by the Ramakant and then in the same tank. And then Umesh used 3 upon 14 part of the tank to water the garden. Means if the tank has maximum capacity of 560 liters, then how many liters of water will be left in the tank? So we will have to find out the water that remain in the tank. First one is Sandeep. Sandeep filled 4 upon 7 part of capacity, means 560. Then plus Ramakant filled 1 upon 4 part of 560 liters. 560 liters. Then Umesh used, use means subtract, you'll have to subtract over here. Then Umesh used water for the garden, that is 3 upon 14 part from 560, means capacity of tank is 560 liters. So here then we first of all we will have to divide the numbers. Okay, so divide 560 by 7. Okay, so read the table of 7 up to 56. 7 8s are 56. Here 8 is come. 8 means here. So 4 upon 7 multiplied by 560. So 7 ones are 7. 7 8s are 56. 0 as it is. Now multiply 4 multiplied by 8. 4 8s are 32. 32 0 as it is. So 320 here. 320 is answer. Now the next one is this one. 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 560. So divide by 4. So whenever we divide by 4, we will get 14. 4 ones are 4. 1 left. And 4 fours are 16. 0 as it is. So 140 liters here. So students, 320 plus 140 liters, then minus 120, because 3 upon 14 multiplied by 560, 7 2s are 14, and 7 read the table of 7 up to 8. 7 8s are 56. 0 as it is. Then again we can divide this by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8, means 40. 0 as it is. 3 fours are 12. 120. 0 as it is. So here students, you can multiply like this. So now subtract. First of all add and then subtract. So 320 plus 140, add and then subtract 120. So we will get the answer, that is 340. Okay, I hope you will understand better. So this is all about the question number 3. So students, in the next video we will see the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Note down all these question and answer from your PDF file. I will send PDF file on your WhatsApp group. So note down your question and answer from there in your notebook. Okay, so I will check your notebook when you will come in the school. So take care of yourself. Thank you.